Hello, my dear students. Jai Swaminarayan. So, this is our part 4 of our chapter 2 is biological classification. Okay. So, this is our 5 kingdoms. Okay. I always say Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. So, we are in fungi. Okay. Monera and Protista, we have studied all about them. But now fungi. So, fungi are eukaryotic, as we know. The cell wall is present and made up of chitin. Okay, chitin is polysaccharide, and nuclear membrane is present because of eukaryotic. Body organization is fungi are multicellular or loose tissues are there, and mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. And heterotrophic meaning two types of heterotrophs, saprophytic and parasitic. So, this is about fungi. Okay. And our two more kingdoms are Plantae and Animalia. We will discuss in our next video. Okay. So, in previous lecture, we have studied about kingdom Protista. We have finished our kingdom Protista part, and also we have started the kingdom Fungi. Okay. We have seen the introduction of kingdom Fungi, and we have studied till the three steps of sexual cycle in the fungi. Okay. So, please keep in mind all those 3 steps and then watch this part. Now, when a fungus reproduces sexually, 2 haploid hyphae of compatible mating types come together and fuse. Okay. So, this is the type of reproduction and sexual reproduction specially. So, what will happen in this? So, 2 haploid hyphae. Okay. So, you should know what is hyphae. Okay. This is called as hyphae. This whole structure, okay, here branches. So, this is called as hyphae. Okay. So, the 2 haploid hyphae compatible mating types. Compatible mating types meaning suitable mating. 2 organisms are suitable with each other and they come together and fuse. Fuse होना मतलब combine होना. In some fungi, the fusion of 2 haploid cells immediately result in the diploid cells. Okay, 2n. Okay, guys. So here you have to know haploid meaning 1n, n number of. Okay, 1n here, and here diploid meaning 2n. So what you mean by diploid and haploid? So chromosome number n and 2n. I always say this. Now, however, in other fungi, for example, ascomycetes and basidiomycetes, what will happen in 2 classes? So, an intervening dikaryotic stage is there, n plus n, here 2 nuclei per 1 cell. Here guys, keep in mind this is important thing. So, please don't get confused. Here some fungi में क्या होगा कि फ्यूजन होगा 2 haploid cells में and immediately will result in the diploid. But कुछ फंजाई में क्या होगा, एस्कोमाइसिट्स एंड बेसिडियोमाइसिट्स में क्या होगा, उनके बीच में एक स्टेज आएगा. ओके, डायरेक्टली डिप्लॉयड सेल नहीं बनेगा. ओके, सो वन इंटरविनिंग स्टेज इज देयर called as dikaryotic. Dikaryotic meaning n plus n, 2 nuclei per 1 cell. Here in this case 2n case, so 2 separated cells are there and 2 nuclei are there, but here in this case 1 cell and 2 nuclei occurs. This is the intervening stage. Now such a condition is called as dikaryon. This situation is called as dikaryon and the phase is known as the dikaryophase of the fungus. So this is important. Okay, dikaryophase. Now later the parental nuclei fuse and the cells become the diploid. Okay, so what will happen next after the dikaryon phase? So parental nuclei will fuse together and the cell becomes the diploid. Okay, यहाँ पर सेल्स एक है लेकिन यहाँ पर न्यूक्लियाई जो दोनों के है वो फ्यूज होंगे एंड सेल बिकम द डिप्लॉयड. हैप्लॉयड में से डिप्लॉयड बनेगा. द फंजाई फॉर्म द फ्रूटिंग बॉडीज इन विच रिडक्शन डिवीजन अकर्स. ओके, फ्रूटिंग बॉडी क्या होता है मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में बताया था. नाउ रिडक्शन डिवीजन अकर्स. रिडक्शन डिवीजन मीनिंग मियोसिस. ओके, सो लीडिंग टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हैप्लॉयड स्पोर्स. हियर गाइस, हियर इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज इज डिप्लॉयड. ओके, सो नाउ डिप्लॉयड में अगर मियोसिस होगा, रिडक्शन होगा, सो बन जाएगा हैप्लॉयड. ओके, बिकॉज 2 minus 1 is, and you can remember like this also, 2 and half then haploid. Okay, so diploid का haploid होगा because here reduction, दो में से एक हो रहा है, हैप्लॉइड रिडक्शन हो रहा है। द मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ द माइसिलियम और मोड ऑफ स्पोर फॉर्मेशन एंड फ्रूटिंग बॉडीज फॉर्म the basis for the division of the kingdom into various classes. Okay, so now we have to see, we will study the all classes of the fungi kingdom on the basis of mycelium morphology. Okay, mycelium कैसा दिखता है उस हिसाब से, mode of spore formation, spore, how the spore are forming, and fruiting bodies, which type of fruiting bodies is there. So on this basis the kingdom is classified into various classes is we will see. Now these are the four main classes of fungi: phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes and deuteromycetes. So these are the four classes of fungi. ये किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा ये क्लासेस? ओके, सो माइसेलियम मॉर्फोलॉजी, मोड ऑफ स्पोर फॉर्मेशन एंड फ्रूटिंग बॉडीज. ओके, सो कीप इन माइंड. नाउ फर्स्ट, आवर फर्स्ट क्लास इज phycomycetes. Now members of phycomycetes are found in the aquatic habitats. Okay, aquatic habitat meaning they are live on water bodies and on the decaying wood also. Decaying wood, okay, जो wood है वो decay हो रहा है, मतलब decomposing mode में है. In moist and the damp places or as the obligate parasite on the plants. Okay, so plants के साथ वो parasite के टाइप में भी देखने को मिलेंगे phycomycetes. Now here the mycelium is aseptate and cenocytic. Okay, what you mean by aseptate and cenocytic I have discussed in last lecture. So this is the cenocytic hyphae you can say here. Okay, and this is the septum. Okay, septum meaning ये जो पार्टेशन है इसको सेप्टम बोलते हैं, बट प्लूरल फॉर्म इज सेप्टा. सो इसमें सेप्टा नहीं होंगे, सिनोसाइटिक टाइप का हाइफे होगा किसमें? फाइकोमाइसिट्स में. Okay, so aseptate and cenocytic are the similar words. Okay, now asexual reproduction take place by zoospores. Zoospores are the motile. Motile meaning they can move from one side to another side, or by the aplanospores. Aplanospore means they are non-motile, they cannot move from one side to another side. So these spores are the endogenously produced in the sporangium. Sporangium, there is a sporangium type structure and the spore will be produced inside, endogenously meaning inside the sporangium. Okay, so this is very easy. Now a zygospore is formed by the fusion of two gametes. Here the zygospore is forming because of fusion of two gametes. Okay, what gametes are haploid. Okay, so these gametes are similar in morphology. So these gametes can be a similar, both are same, so called as isogamous, or can be dissimilar, वो अलग अलग भी दिख सकते हैं, called as anisogamous or oogamous. Okay, so don't get confused between these two terms. Isogamous and anisogamous are two opposite words. Oogamous also is called as anisogamous. Now some common examples are the mucor, rhizopus, the bread mold mentioned earlier also, and albago. Okay, so these are the some fungi of phycomycetes. So here you can see. Okay, so this is the mucor, this first picture is mucor. Okay, this is rhizopus and this is albago on the plant surface or the leaf surface. Okay, so you can see here these figures, and you can see some different figures in our textbook also. Now our another class is ascomycetes. Now what will happen in ascomycetes? So ascomycetes are commonly known as sake fungi. Why? I will discuss later. As a sake fungi, sake is a bag like structure. The ascomycetes are the mostly multicellular, more than one cell is there. For example penicillium, or rarely are the unicellular. रेयर केस में ही वो यूनिसेल्यूलर होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ईस्ट का जो सोइल है वो यूनिसेल्यूलर है, ओनली सिंगल सेल है, बट पेनिसिलियम इज मल्टीसेल्यूलर एंड द मोस्ट ascomycetes आर मल्टीसेल्यूलर. ओके, सो ईस्ट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज Saccharomyces. Now they are saprophytic, decomposers, parasitic or coprophilous. Coprophilous meaning growing on the dung. So what is the meaning of dung? Okay, growing on dung. So the dung is we can say गोबर. Okay, हम हमारी देसी लैंग्वेज में इसको गोबर बोल सकते हैं. So these ascomycetes are saprophytic meaning they will depend on the dead cells, okay, and decomposers, वो डिकम्पोज करेंगे अगर ऑर्गेनिक मैटर है बहुत ज़्यादा एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स मैटर इज देयर, सो दे विल डिकम्पोज एंड टेक न्यूट्रिशन फ्रॉम देयर, okay. So here is the type of nutrition, okay. It's saprophytic, decomposers, parasitic, okay. So parasitic meaning already I have discussed. Parasites meaning they live on, they are depend on live cell, okay. जो जिंदा है उनमें वो पाए जाएंगे. And coprophilous, or we can say the growing on dung. Now mycelium is branch and septate is there, okay. So here is the difference, mycelium is branch and septate, okay. Septa will be there. Now the asexual spores are the conidia and produce exogenously on the special mycelium called as conidiophore, okay. So here conidia are produced by this conidiophores, and conidiophore are the special mycelium, and exogenous meaning outside, from the outside they are produced, conidia are produced, and these are the mode of asexual spores, these are the asexual spores. Now conidia on the germination produce the mycelium, okay. What is the goal of reproduction, okay? So forming a new cell, so here new mycelium is produced from this conidia, okay. So this is very easy. Now you can see here these examples, this is penicillium multicellular, okay. You can see here conidia are there, exogenously produce spores, conidia, and here you can see this is the yeast cell, one cell, and these are together grouped cells of yeast. So these are yeast and this is penicillium. Now sexual spores are called as ascospores, which are produced endogenously in the sac like asci, singular form is ascus, okay. So हमने बात करी asexual spores की. Now what will be happen in sexual spores? So they are called as ascospores and which are produced endogenously, ये endogenously होगा मतलब inside, they are forming inside and in the sac like asci, okay. I will show you, okay. Here you can see this is the asci, okay, plural form asci. This picture is about asci, so they are spores. Now these asci are the arranged in the different type of fruiting bodies called as ascocarps. ये अलग अलग different type के fruiting body में arrangement होता है इनका, so that's why they are called as ascocarps. Some examples are the aspergillus, claviceps and neurospora, okay. These are the some example, okay. You can see here this is aspergillus, okay. Now claviceps, sorry, neurospora. So this is example of neurospora, this is neurospora, okay. Now you can see here many members like the morels and truffles are the edible and are considered as the delicacies. Now what are the morels? I will show you here. This is the morels, okay. ये क्या है? fungi है, one type of, but edible fungi है. We can eat this structure, okay. This is fungi, protein rich fungi, okay. Morels. So many members like morels and truffles are the edible which can eat and are the considered as the delicious. Now basidiomycetes, our third class of fungi is basidiomycetes. Now commonly known forms of basidiomycetes are the mushrooms, bracket fungi or puffballs. Here you can see this is the mushroom, very amazing picture you will find. So this is the mushroom, okay. Some mushrooms are edible but some are harmful to us also, and this is the, this structure is here bracket fungi, okay. Remember the term bracket fungi. So this is the bracket fungi. How amazing is our living world, okay. We have already seen in our chapter 1 the living world, amazing living world. So they grow in the soil, on logs and tree stumps and in the living plant bodies as parasite also, for example rust and smuts, okay. So these are the habitats. हम कहाँ पर ये बेसिडियोमाइसिट्स देखने को मिलेंगे? सॉइल, ऑन लोग्स एंड ट्री स्टम्प्स, ओके. ट्री स्टम्प्स पे भी हम देख सकते हैं फंजाई वगैरह, मशरूम. इन लिविंग प्लांट बॉडीज ऑल्सो बट एज अ पैरासाइट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल रस्ट एंड स्मट्स. नाउ द माइसेलियम इज ब्रांच एंड द सेप्टे आर देयर, ओके. सो सेप्टेट मीनिंग ब्रांच तो है ही उसकी, लेकिन सेप्टेट मीनिंग द, आई हैव डिस्कस अर्लियर, सेप्टेट मीनिंग द partition, okay, partition like structure between the two cells. Now the asexual spores are generally not found here, but vegetative reproduction by the fragmentation is common. Okay, so here spores are not present in this basidiomycetes, but the vegetative reproduction is there and done by the fragmentation. Okay, fragmentation is type of reproduction. fragmentation में क्या होगा, एक बॉडी जो है पेरेंट बॉडी उसकी फ्रेगमेंट बन जाएगी, वो टूट जाएगा, ब्रेकेज हो जाएगा, एंड द न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म विल फॉर्म फ्रॉम दैट ब्रोकन पार्ट. ओके, now the sex organs are absent here, but the plasmogamy is brought about by the fusion of the two vegetative or the somatic cells of the different strains, or we can say the genotypes. ओके, यहाँ पर सेक्स ऑर्गन हमको देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे दिस फंजाई के अंदर, बट द प्लाज्मोगेमी इज देयर. प्लाज्मोगेमी मीनिंग द फ्यूजन ऑफ प्लाज्मा. ओके, द फ्यूजन ऑफ प्लाज्मा हियर. सो साइटोप्लाज्म वी कैन से ऑल्सो. So is the brought about by fusion of the two vegetative and somatic cells. So somatic cells are the body cells. Main body cells are called as somatic cells because there is no sex organs are there, and also called as vegetative cells. So different strain के भी इसमें फ्यूज़न हो सकता है. जीनोटाइप डिफरेंट होगा तो भी वो फ्यूज़ हो सकते हैं यहाँ पर. The resultant structure is called as dikaryotic, विच अल्टीमेटली गिव्स राइज टू द बेसिडियम. यहाँ पर जो स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा फाइनली उसको बोलेंगे डाइकैरियोटिक, विच इज़ अल्टीमेटली गिवन राइज टू द बेसिडियम, फाइनली बेसिडियम. नाउ कैरियोगेमी एंड मियोसिस टेक प्लेस इन द बेसिडियम प्रोड्यूसिंग द 4 बेसिडियोस्पोर्स. हियर मियोसिस टेक प्लेस because as we know meiosis is the type of cell division, and after the meiosis completed the 4 cells are produced generally. Now in this case karyogamy will occur and meiosis will take place. Okay, karyogamy as I said earlier. Okay, so meiosis also take place in the basidium and will finally produce the basidiospores, and the number of 4 basidiospores are there. Now the basidiospores are the exogenously produced on the basidium. Here is the another step is now this basidiospores will exogenously produce on the basidium, and plural form is basidia. Now these basidia are arranged in the fruiting bodies called as basidiocarps. These basidia are arranged in the fruiting body. Okay, fruiting body के अंदर ये arrange इस तरह से हो गए, and that is called as basidiocarps. Now some common members are the agaricus mushroom. Okay, as we know, and astilgo. Okay, so smoot and Puccinia is called as rust fungus. So here this is the example of Puccinia. You can see in this picture, this is the Puccinia like fungi and rust fungus we can say. Okay, so please keep in mind this all examples, different examples of different classes. Okay, so please don't get confused and don't mix up with this some examples. Okay, मशरूम किस में आता है एंड फाइकोमाइसिट्स में क्या आता है, पेनिसिलियम किस में आता है, तो ये सब आप कन्फ्यूज़न में मत पड़ना. So that's why you have to make notes, make a proper notes for this. Okay, now our 4th class is deuteromycetes, now commonly known as the imperfect fungi. Okay, this class is somehow different from those in 3 parts. So this part is why different this class, because commonly known as imperfect. Perfect नहीं है ये fungi, imperfect है, because only the asexual or vegetative phases of this fungi are known. No sexual forms in this. When the sexual forms of these fungi were discovered, they were moved into the classes they are rightly belong to. जैसे ही उनका अगर सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का टाइप हमको पता चला, हमने उनको क्या कर दिया, डिफरेंट जो पहले जो हमारे क्लास है उसमें हमने मूव कर दिया इसको. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो पॉसिबल डैट द asexual and vegetative stage have been given one name and placed under the deuteromycetes, and the sexual stage is another and placed under the another classes. Okay, so इनके मोड के हिसाब से, इनके सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के मोड के हिसाब से इनको अलग अलग क्लासेस में रखा गया है. Now later when the linkages were established and research is there, the fungi were correctly identified. Okay, now these fungi are correctly identified and moved out to the deuteromycetes. Once perfect sexual stages of members of deuteromycetes were discovered, they were often moved to the ascomycetes and basidiomycetes. Okay, so collect, अगर हमको information collect हो गई है डिस्कवरी हो गई है, ओके, बाय देयर सेक्सुअल स्टेजेस, एंड दैट्स वाई दे वर ऑफन मूव टू द एस्कोमाइस एंड बेसिडियोमाइस। उनके कैरेक्टर के हिसाब से उनको हम क्लासीफाई करेंगे एस्कोमाइसिट्स में एंड बेसिडियोमाइसिट्स में। द ड्यूट्रोमाइसिट्स रिप्रोड्यूस ओनली बाय द असेक्सुअल स्पोर्स known as conidia. Okay, so this is the difference. Deuteromycetes are only reproduced by the asexual spores, and these spores are called as conidia. The mycelium is septate here and branched. Okay, this is common. Now you can see here in this diagram alternaria. Okay, alternaria this is. Now some members are the saprophytes. Saprophyte meaning they are depend on dead cells, or parasites, while a large number of them are the decomposers. Okay, decomposer का meaning ही यही है, saprophytes of the litter and the help in the mineral cycling. Okay, जो complex material होगा litter and help mineral जो होगा mineral cycling में very useful they are. Okay, वो decompose करेंगे and finally they are important to the some industry, mineralization industry. Okay, now some examples are the alternaria, and we can say Colletotrichum and Trichoderma here. So please these are the scientific words, so you have to read like this: Trichoderma, alternaria. Okay, Colletotrichum. Okay, so please don't get confused in these scientific names. Okay, now we are science students, so these names are common to us. Okay, so make practice. Now what they are said about this. So some examples of this Deuteromyces are the alternaria, Colletotrichum and Trichoderma. Okay, now we have also seen the nutrition. Okay, mode of nutrition. So they are mainly saprophytic, parasitic. Okay, and large number of them are the decomposers. So mainly they are decomposer of the litter and help in the mineral cycling. So this is the very important function of this Deuteromyces. Okay, mineral cycling, mineral का cycling में वो use होंगे. Okay, so this is about Deuteromycetes. Now guys, in next video we will discuss about our kingdom Plantae. We will start our new kingdom Plantae, and then we will discuss about kingdom Animalia also. Okay, our another kingdom, and we will discuss about viruses, viroids, prions and lichens. So finally our chapter will be finished in next video. Okay, so here in this video our fungi kingdom is completed. Okay, so thank you guys. Jai Swaminarayan.